Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I decorated my table using mostly Dollar Tree items. And so I'm just going to go ahead and let the video play and enjoy the music. Most of the items came from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to set a two-place setting, usually mostly Dollar Tree items. I'm going to go ahead and thank you for watching this video. And if you like budget-friendly content, go ahead and tap that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. And this is Ms. V. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.